Hi, this is Shabbir, your lead architect at ETC, and today we're in Chantilly, Virginia, and I want to share with you our recently completed project for a pool house renovation. So this was a project that started about approximately 4 to 5 months ago, where we started with basic design and bidding, selecting contractor, and only 42 days of construction. So here's the main entrance. Come on by. Here we are, double door main entrance, and we are at a desk for the lifeguard who greets you, say, hey, welcome. So right here with a Korean countertop. I want to show you real quick these materials that we used. Yep, you got a close-up shot. So here is the Korean countertop that you see right here. And here is this flooring system, which is a resinous flooring system that has quartz mixed in it. And notice a little bit of the surface that is slip resistance. And these are the walls that are covered for easy cleaning, and toilet partitions, paints, and this laminate that you see under the countertop. And outside right here, you see the pool in the back, which is a beautiful thing right here. So the lifeguard goes out and you can see the pool in the background. All right. And I want to show you the women's side where we did majority of these materials are installed. So you come right here. So the privacy walls, very important. Come on this side. And here are your bathrooms. Here's the toilet with grab bars installed, new toilets, of course. So all these are toilet partitions and toilets inside with new plumbing fixtures. And this is women's side. Here are the showers. Fresh new curtains installed, and you can come and take a look at this one. Here's the shower with the ADA seat. And here on this side right here is our double vanity sinks, ADA height of course, and the toilet accessories. We also installed this bench, which you can pull it down, so you can easily sit down, change, hang your belongings here, and when you want to clean, you just lift it up, and this is a really nice thing that you can clean under the bench. And here's the exit out. Let's go outside, take a look at the pool. It's beautiful. Here, come take a look. Right here, here's the pool. So guys, here's our latest project. I'm really glad to share it with you, and see you soon on the social media.